felt sorry for guys packed into gyms, trying to look like how Calvin Klein or Tommy Hilfiger said they should.
Is that what a man looks like?
Self-improvement is masturbation. Now self-destruction.
Lately, I feel like my life has never been so simple. Extremely simple life where every day I think about my training, my nutrition, my sleep, my cardio. Just being hyper-focused on the competition on April 4th, it's allowed all of the clutter, stresses to disappear. But at the same time, my nature is to question what is the point of this. I think the main point is curiosity. It's trying something to take my training to another level. And it's actually quite silly, this competition, in terms of the judging criteria, how subjective it is. And a lot of it comes down to the lighting, the tanning oil, the posture, the poses, the performance, all of these things that to me don't mean anything. But I guess another question that I wonder about is, what is a man's physique? What is a man supposed to look like? What is a man supposed to be? And I think a lot of people will think of words like a man is a protector, you have to be a man of purpose, a man must be persistent and do what he wants to do. But these things, like a woman can also be a protector, a woman also should have a purpose, and women should also be persistent. So I still find myself not questioning, but wondering how can we define masculine energy? And I think the most scientific way is through testosterone, right? That's an easy way to define a masculine trait, masculine properties. And obviously, it's just a matter of definitions. We can define feminine, masculine, yin, yang, however we want, but masculine can also be thought about as more outward, confidence, exploration, whereas feminine is more inward, strengthening, and consolidation. What are your thoughts on what is masculine energy, what is feminine energy,